Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to pose in Roblox profile picture. Firstly, we have to go to the search panel of Windows, then type Roblox Player. Now click on Open. Just maximize the Roblox Player. Then on the left side, click on the avatar button. Then on the right side of your screen, click on the avatar. From here, you will find various different poses. You can select any of the poses that you prefer. After finalizing your pose, click on Next. From here, you can zoom in, out, and rotate your avatar to change its appearance. Now click on Next. Now you can click on Save to save your new avatar. Now your avatar has changed, as you can see here. By clicking on the avatar, you will see that your avatar is now in a different pose. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.